Welcome to Love Infused Kitchen. I'm Angie, and on today's episode I'll be making an Asian chopped salad with a sesame ginger dressing, and for the protein I'll be making a glazed orange teriyaki salmon. So let's get started first with the sesame ginger dressing. To assemble my sesame ginger dressing, I'm going to add together 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos, 1/2 cup of avocado oil, next I have 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, I have 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of Thai sweet chili sauce in place of 1 teaspoon of sriracha. I have 2 tablespoons of water and 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. And I'm going to whisk that up. And there I have my sesame ginger dressing for my Asian chopped salad. Let's work on assembling the Asian chopped salad next. For my Asian chopped salad, my ingredients are 1 romaine heart chopped. I'm going to use a package of sweet baby butter leaf lettuce. I need 1 cup of green cabbage that's thinly sliced and 1 cup of purple cabbage that is thinly sliced. Instead, I bought a Sesame Asian chopped salad kit. I'm going to use these ingredients because they're basically the same thing. And then I used the whole package because I figure I have more lettuce here. My next ingredient I need is 1 red pepper that is thinly sliced. And I might not use all this red pepper because it's pretty ginormous. And I'm only going to use half of that red pepper in the salad. All right, I need 1 cup of bean sprouts, which I have here. I'm going to chop these up a little bit. These back in my cup. I have 1 cup here of bean sprouts, and I'm going to slice these up a little bit and get rid of the ones that don't look so good. goes back in their cup. The next ingredient is 1 cup of carrots that are julienned. And there's already some carrots that are in the salad kit mix. So I'm just going to add a few here and julienne them in the food processor. I think that should look good. Then I need 2 green onions, thinly sliced. For the serving part, I'm going to substitute 2 tablespoons of parsley for cilantro. Chop that up. And that looks about 2 tablespoons of parsley. I also need 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. I need 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. I have 1/4 cup of toasted almonds. So allow me to assemble my salad now. I'm going to tear some of this butter leaf lettuce up, mix it in with the cabbages. And I'm just going to assemble my ingredients on top of my salad. I'm going to leave enough to make another salad. What else do we got? It's not peas. Got some almonds. Got some parsley. Serve some of that. Some sesame seeds. I'm going to put just a little bit of the sesame oil on there and reserve some for another salad. So there is the Asian chopped salad. And then I'll put the sesame ginger dressing on the salad when I'm ready to eat it. Next, I'm going to combine my ingredients for the glazed orange teriyaki salmon. So into a saucepan, first I'm going to add together 2 teaspoons of cornstarch to 4 teaspoons of water. Have that mixed together. Into my saucepan, I'm going to add 2/3 cup of orange juice, 1 teaspoon of orange zest, 1/3 cup of soy sauce. I'm going to use coconut aminos. I have 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, or you could use brown sugar. I have 1 teaspoon of minced ginger and 2 cloves of garlic. And I also need 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. I have a 1/4 teaspoon here, so I'm going to do this twice. 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add in my cornstarch and water mixture. And I'm going to whisk this up. And next I'm going to put this on the stove. Now that my sauce is on the stove, I'm going to bring it to a simmer and then allow it to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, my sauce is coming to a simmer now. I'm going to reduce the heat a little bit and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Or I'm sorry, 3 to 5 minutes. My timer was getting ready to go off, but I'm going to let the sauce go for 1 more minute. See if it thickens up a little bit more. Okay, 4 minutes is up. I'm going to take the sauce off the stove. All right, I have taken the sauce out of the fridge, and I'm going to liberally baste my salmon fillets now. which that makes a lot of sauce. I'm going to place my salmon into the oven now. All right, I'm placing my orange glazed salmon into the oven, which is set at 400 degrees. And I'm going to set my timer for 12 minutes. While my salmon bakes in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and do my taste test of the Asian chopped salad with the sesame ginger dressing. It's not bad. I think the sesame ginger salad dressing, for me, it's a little bit tangy. I actually think I'm going to add just a tiny bit of maple syrup to the dressing and re-stir it back up. But overall, all the ingredients in the salad itself, they are really good. So I'll be back in a minute as soon as the salmon is finished, and I'll do a taste test of the salmon. All right, I'm back here with my glazed orange teriyaki salmon. So let me do a taste test on it. I can't really taste much of it. Let me take another bite. I guess I should have poured a little bit of the sauce onto the actual salmon. From what I can taste of the sauce, it is very good. It's very refreshing since it has orange in it. So I think when I go to reheat the other couple pieces up, I will pour some of that, the glaze on top of those, so that there is a generous helping of the glaze onto the salmon. But other than that, the glaze itself with the salmon is really good. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching all the way through. I appreciate it. Until the next time, so long.